Entertain friends, family, live audiences, or enjoy playing in your own space. The feeling of playing your favorite song on an instrument is priceless. But if you don't know how, can you teach yourself to play an instrument? Yes, you can. To get you started, simply follow these steps to learn to play an instrument. Step 1. Decide on an instrument to teach yourself. Not sure? Ask yourself, what's my favorite song, band, or genre of music? Listen to the song, tune in and focus on the instrument that appeals to you. Step 2. Consider the following. Do you have experience with musical instruments? Do you enjoy singing? Are you disciplined? What are your musical ambitions and aspirations? What music and musicians inspire you? Great! Now you've got musical insight to help you choose an online course at the right level for you. Start today. Teach yourself to play an instrument. For more tips and advice, click the link below. Thanks for watching. Please support our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.